Wait for the shortcut at the end of the video.
90% of students fail to solve the question you see on the screen. But can you solve it? Go ahead, give it a try. Stuck? Don't worry, let me explain it to you. First of all, this is an infinite expression, so let's give this expression a name. Let's call it x, and our equation becomes this. Looking at the right side, we see a lot of square roots. What is the best way to get rid of roots? Squaring them. So we square both sides of the equation. This operation cancels out that big outer root, and our equation turns into this. Whoa, did you see that? If we look closely, the part right next to the 20 is actually the exact same expression we called x in the beginning, because even if you remove 120 from infinity, you still have infinity left. So the equation transforms into this. X squared equals 20 plus x. Now we have a simple quadratic equation. Let's move everything to the left side and set it to 0. X squared minus x minus 20 equals 0. We need to factor this. By the way, if you don't know how to factor, I highly recommend watching the video in the cards. Also, if you subscribe and like the video right now, it would make me very happy. Now, let's factor it. We are looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 20 and add up to negative 1. These numbers are negative 5 and positive 4. So we get x minus 5 times x plus 4 equals 0. This gives us two possible solutions. Either x minus 5 is 0, which means x is 5, or x plus 4 is 0, which means x is negative 4. Mathematically, we found two answers. However, logically, the result of a square root cannot be negative in the real world. Since we are adding positive numbers, the result must be positive. Therefore, our only correct answer is x equals 5.
Wait, before you go, here is the secret shortcut. Notice that 20 is just 4 times 5. If the problem has a plus sign, the answer is the bigger number, which is 5. But what if the sign was minus? If we had square root of 20 minus square root of 20, the rule flips. For minus, you simply take the smaller number, so the answer would be 4. Now I have a challenge for you. Can you solve this one? Square root of 42 plus square root of 42. Hint, 42 is 6 times 7. So is the answer 6 or 7? Drop your guess in the comments right now.